Hi, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick update about what I see here on the ES 120-minute chart after the action that we had over the weekend and today. So, our original setup, of course, was last week where we came down into that 37.39 zone, and we've bounced from that. And if that low from January 17th is any good, then our target's going to be 38.47 off of this larger high to low swing. And what I'm looking at now is today in our room, I had for our clients timing for a low. You see this histogram down here at the bottom? Had timing for a low, and we came down into this 50% here. So that was a nice pullback retracement off of that low to high swing. We bounced, and the target off of that smaller swing is 38.02 and 38.11. Okay, so if you are in our room, that would have been a great setup to get a hold of today, that bounce that was coming in. And let's see where that exact bounce was. 37.72, so just a few ticks short of that 50%, but it was a nice bounce. It triggered, and then a lot of people in our room were able to grab a hold of that, and now you're looking at 3,800. Let's see, that is a 32-point move. Awesome, 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 from that low to this high. So what I want you to watch out for overnight is, of course, we're meeting that target of the smaller swing from today. Then we do have the 786 coming in at 38.06, and we do have a really nice cluster of a lot of extensions up here. A 1618 from a previous swing, a 2618 from a previous swing. I think we've got a 1618 from another swing, and then we've got the 1272 from this larger swing. So 38.47, we've got a lot of extensions coming up. All right, everybody, that is what I have for you right now in the ES. I hope you have an awesome evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.